Good morning, everyone. This is Bhupinder Singh from TheFNF. So glad to see you again. Today's session, we are going to speak about my plate and what does this mean. My plate is where this is specifically to do with when you do workout and when you don't. So my plate is something wherein you want to know what transpires and what happens with you when you are on a workout mode and when you are off workout mode. So for that I have here with me three plates. There are three sizes, so I'll be using them just to explain you what happens. So first we will understand what happens when someone is having less food and starts working out and increases appetite and then suddenly feels that I am gaining more weight when I stop working out. And in the current pandemic situations, it's just being on and off, wherein you are going into workout and you're going off workout again, going back. So this is what is happening with you. So first, let's understand this small plate. Okay, I have three sizes. So this is the first plate when I am not working out. So this is what I eat in quantity. Okay, we are not getting into depth of what is being kept on the plate. It's about the quantity and the size of the plate what I am consuming. So when I'm consuming this and I start with my workout with this phase of my life, right? So when I do some workout for a few days, maybe couple of weeks, there is a body demand of increase of appetite or any form of exercise what you do, be running or be cycling. So after a certain period of time, there is more demand by the body to have more food. Then you switch on to this medium sized plate. Okay, so if you see, this is the smaller one. You were here when you started and you reach here over a couple of weeks when you have been doing your workouts. So your appetite is increasing because your body is demanding for more. So the nutrition given earlier when you were not doing any sort of workout or any exercise or any activity, the body requirement was okay, that was limited, and the body was moving with that. Now when you have added an hour or 2 hours of workout, so your body demands more because it needs more food to have better recovery, better energy during the workout, and the repairing throughout the day and when you sleep. After a certain period of time, again over a period of time, when you keep on increasing your workout, as you increase your food, the body demands for more food. Then you reach out to the third stage. So if you see, this is the second stage, this is the third stage. So you reach out to a bigger plate. So what happens with this plate? This is to do with filling up your plate with more food because your body is demanding for more. So somewhere the intensity of the exercise has increased, so you're asking for more food. So that is why the plate has gone bigger and in quantity for you and bigger in size. So this is what you're doing. So what happens? Let's say that at this stage you suddenly stop working out. Okay, somewhere there's a brain memory which is short and long memory. Okay, so the short memory is saying that you have been eating this throughout at this moment. This becomes your memory. This is the memory for you, the bigger plate, even though you are off workout. So you are still eating this plate, this bigger size of plate. And unfortunately, because there is no activity, the food is being, instead of given to the muscles and helping you with recovery, it is being stored in your body. Okay, because it is excess food which is not being used by the body. Maybe high protein or maybe more carbs are not being used by the body. So you are suddenly gaining more weight because of this, because the plate is big in size and the quantity is more and the expenditure of the body is less. So what we really need to do, as we go off workout, and you know that for the coming weeks or maybe months you're not going to do your workout, so you go back to the smaller size. That's the second phase, the medium size. You lower your appetite, okay, and you continue with what you're doing in your day-to-day life because the workout has gone out. You just need food for your daily movement, for your work profile, or maybe your household chores, but just for your body to stay healthy. This will always make you keep in a place wherein you will never go gain more weight post workout. Post stopping your workouts. So हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि जब मैं वर्कआउट छोड़ता हूँ, सबसे बड़ा फियर होता है जब जिम ज्वाइन करते हैं एक्सरसाइज में कि अभी मैं कर लूँगा, मसल्स आ जाएंगी, ये हो जाएगा. जब मैं जिम छोड़ दूंगा या जब मैं एक्सरसाइज छोड़ दूंगा तब मेरा वेट बढ़ जाता है. दिस इज़ द रीज़न, बिकॉज यू आर स्टिल ईटिंग मोर. It is good that you were listening to your body, but you need to reverse that. When you are not working out, go to a medium-sized plate. Do this. If you still feel that this is too much for you, listen to your body. Then you go back to square one, a smaller size. Okay, this is what you do and how you stay with food. So we are talking about only the quantity and the plate size. Because when you are going to work with your plate size, yes, it is going to help you in terms of not gaining weight, gaining fat when you go off workout. Then we blame कि अरे वो जिम जाने से मेरा ऐसा हो जाता है, एक्सरसाइज करने से ऐसा होता है, रनिंग करने से ऐसा हो जाता है. Whenever I go off running or off cycling, I gain weight. So that is one biggest fear why people don't reach out for workouts. कि अगर मैं छोड़ दूंगा तो मेरा क्या होगा. So you need to just understand and work with these 3 plates. So this is where you start when you're doing nothing. Then you increase your appetite because your body is asking for more food. That's the medium size. And here you are when you on a bigger plate when you're in peak of your workout. And when you go off workout, you remove this, you come to this plate, the medium size, right? Going back. And if you still feel this is still more for you, not helping you, you go back to square one, the smaller plate. Now the second theory, what happens and what should you do in case and when you want to lose weight. And let's say some people on their day-to-day activity and in their life is always on this bigger plate, the biggest size, right? We have 3 sizes. आप ये प्लेट पे हो, आप वर्कआउट करते हो नहीं करते हो, आप सोच रहे हो मैं जिम जाऊंगा, आप लेकिन ये प्लेट पे हो. So what do you need to do? Or any sort of exercise, running or any activity. As you join the gym, you need to lower your appetite. And when you lower your appetite, you go to the medium size plate. And you stay here for at least 3 weeks so that you know how food is working for you. When you were here, you were on a higher appetite irrespective you were not doing anything. Now you are working out and you feel this is more. So you go back here, you go to this medium size, you lower your appetite. That is called as putting yourself on a deficit calories, wherein you eat less and you spend more. So that means you're going to work out and you're going to eat less and you're going to lose more weight. Okay, somewhere you still feel that you can try and go even lower than this medium size. Then you go here. This phase of deficit calorie should be tried and tested only for 7 to 10 days. And in case you feel that you're not doing good and you don't have the energy, listen to your body, go back to the medium size. Stay here. Okay, this is where you need to stay. This will help you to stay healthy, stay fit, and make sure that your energy levels are high. So it is very important to make sure that you listen to your body to understand the energy, because food is energy. अगर आप खाना सही नहीं खा रहे हो, आपको एनर्जी लो फील हो रही है, that means you are not doing it right. That's the best way to understand food. And it is very simple. Just stick to the home cooking food, avoid packaged foods, avoid any food which comes with preservatives or salted, extra added salt foods. Basically anything which comes with an expiry date, you just ignore and do not use them in your meal. Eat fresh, cook fresh, alright? Add more protein. So protein is always 1 kg of your body weight is equal to 1 gram of protein. That is very simple. Irrespective you work out or not, you need to intake this much of protein every day. And of course, keep yourself hydrated, have lots of water. 20 kg of weight is equal to 1 liter of water. And you can just do the maths. If you weigh 80 kgs, you need 4 liters of water every day. So do this. Trust me, use your plates, just identify your plates. It's always good to have 3 sizes: small, medium and the biggest size, the large plate, and keep switching on them basis your workout or you are not working out, and identify that and stay there with food. Alright, before I end this session, would just want to inform that this 25th April we are having a virtual run that's for autism awareness. So where you are, you can just run. You need to register on the link below on the comment section. And yes, it's an autism month, and we are being supported by and partnered with Autism Ability Center from Hyderabad. And yes, we would love you to see participating in that race. As you run along on this virtual race, we seek support from you for autism as an awareness which is very needed in our society today, to accept autism as specially abled kids and treat them equal. So looking forward for you to register on this race, and hope this session was very helpful and knowledgeable. You can again go back and listen to this session as it will be saved on the FB Live, FB page of mine, TheFNF, where you're doing it right now. And you can just rework and understand the plate theory and use it for your benefit. Thank you so much.